Divorce mediation can be one of the best processes available to people who are going through a divorce to resolve their issues with as little emotional cost and as little financial cost as possible.
There are many advantages to mediation, but the most important of which is you and your spouse are empowered to make your own decisions. And through mediation, with a skilled mediator, you are able to craft settlement agreements that fit your specific situation.
Mediation is good for couples who don't want to end up the process hating each other. It's good for couples who have a lot of issues to resolve and a lot of differences, but not profound, angry differences.
If you decide that divorce mediation is right for you and your spouse, it is very important to schedule a consultation with an experienced divorce mediator. Also, keep in mind that you and your spouse must come to the consultation together because the mediator needs to remain neutral.
Being a good mediation attorney requires a lot of unique skills. One of them is to be able to manage the emotional turmoil that you're going to experience with two parties in a mediation, because no matter how much they're getting along, there's still going to be some emotional components of that need to be managed. Secondly, an attorney must have a very good handle on the financial aspects and the custody aspects in one of these cases, because what you're trying to do is shepherd these parties into an agreement that best suits their family and their finances.
Divorce mediation can be more affordable than traditional litigation. You and your spouse will have one mediator rather than paying for two separate lawyers. And when you mediate, you are all, you, your spouse, and the mediator focused on the same goal, which is to reach a comprehensive settlement that works for everyone.
You don't have to have an attorney be the mediator for your divorce. But honestly, I think it is the only way to go. And I would even go further and say that your mediator should be someone who knows a lot about divorce as a lawyer. And I've seen really good mediators who aren't lawyers miss some very, very important parts that should be in every divorce settlement. If you want some help mediating your case and you think that mediation might work for you, you should call the New Mexico Legal Group and set up an appointment for the two of you to meet with one of the mediating lawyers at the office.